Fuller House came out today, and I binge watched it throughout the day. I love it when I have those lazy days of watching TV. Like, that is fun for me. So Fuller House season 4, that was a big part of the day. For breakfast, I had scrambled eggs again. Didn't even take a picture. It's like same old, same old. For lunch, I just had some grilled chicken tenderloins that were already made up and some Alexa organic French fries. I know a lot of you aren't going to think those are right, but they're non-GMO, they're certified organic, and I don't have them that much, and they're good. So I put some olive oil and pepper and salt on those. Alright, so I know I haven't vlogged much today. It's literally just been me binge watching Fuller House, and I want to watch more of that later tonight. But I was going to do the Q&A, but I think I'm going to go ahead and push it to tomorrow because we're actually going out of town tonight. Not too far, but just to the next town over to look at some Christmas lights. And I'm a little scared, but I'm going to try to maybe try Chipotle again because the day I had that bad flare-up, we still don't know what it was exactly. So I'm trying to take things a lot slower. So maybe give Chipotle one more try and see if it causes a flare-up. I know I should have shaved and stuff. I'm just like, ugh, I don't feel like doing any of that right now. But I've got to do stuff like that. And we're going to go to the doctor, the nutritionist, natural doctor person, to try to come up with things that I can't eat that should be good for me or whatever. And then, yeah, that's what we're going to do now. So, yeah, that's what's been going on today. So the Q&A will probably be tomorrow instead of today. I do apologize for that. I'm going to try to vlog what we do tonight. I wasn't expecting us to actually go do anything, so that was a little change, but a good one. So, yeah, that's what's going on right now. So I went to Chipotle, and my goodness, I loved it so much. Hopefully it all agrees with me well. We'll find out tonight, I guess. But I had some white rice, half a scoop of black beans, chicken, cheese, sour cream, and guac. That was awesome. Really enjoyed that. That was like a taste of old times, and I really, really loved that because I was a Chipotle addict. Like, I go there all the time. Love me some Chipotle, so this was good, and I really, really enjoyed that. Hopefully, it's all organics. I don't really think it should be too much of an issue, but we'll find out tonight. So, yeah, but that was really, really good. I enjoyed that. And how do you ever know unless you try stuff? I mean, that's the only way you can do it is just through trial and error. So we decided to try this. Then we went over to Target, and all I did there was I just bought this is the next town over because we don't have a Target here. I bought my grandma a 12-pack of Coke. It was on a 40% off Cartwheel, so it made it $3.29, and that was worth it to me because I didn't want to have to buy 4 packs at Kroger. So, hallelujah, that was an awesome deal. And then I also grabbed a gift for my cousin's wife just to finish it out to go along with the things I've already gotten her. And then I finished her out. So that was Target. But I was like, okay, I've heard great things about Target, and I know many of you love it. However, man, are they expensive just on the everyday stuff. So as I was looking through the store, I just was like, because there's a Walmart like right next to the Target. And I was like, I told my parents, I know we have a Walmart back home, but let's just go over to Walmart because I got those 2 things at Target, and they were nice. They have some nice stuff there, but why go there and pay more if it's a little bit better over at Walmart? Like, I looked at women's socks for my grandma, and it was like just way more than what it was at Walmart. So I went over to Walmart and did so much better. So I'm glad I went to Walmart and did the stuff there instead of Target. Through couponing, you can save a ton at Target, so don't totally write them out. I know with Cartwheels and stuff, it just wasn't a good enough price for me today, so I went to Walmart for the majority. next up, before we left, I went up and interrupted these women right here and told them all about couponing. They were so impressed, but yeah. All right, obviously, as you can tell, these women are not legit. They're just statues they've had there, and they really creep me out. They look so real. I was like creeped out even doing the picture. But yeah, they look so real. But I thought I had to point this out. That is so cool that they have that, but it's really creepy at the same time. Alright, so it is the end of the day. I know I've got to shave. I'm like, oh, I've gotten out of the habit. I did it every day before school, but I've just like got out of the habit. Alright, but anyways, we went up to the town next over to us, Newark. I don't know what I'm thinking. Newark. We went there to the Christmas courthouse, which was fun. And we went to Target, which Target was very, I just thought I'd find more, but it's crazy. I'm always like, why don't we get a Target? And I went tonight, and I was just like, not that impressed. But, you know, if I was couponing there, it probably would really make a difference. But when I was just shopping for general merchandise, I was like, I told my parents, let's just go to the Walmart next door. And that's what we did. We just went over to Walmart, and I, like, did a good job over at Walmart. I'm going to show you the rebates. I did rebates, and I did Christmas. So we'll do rebates first. I got these Crunchmaster crackers. They are $2.68, and these were in the produce. I've never seen these in mine. I can't eat them. They are gluten-free, not made with genetically. Yep, that's too much ingredients for my my restrictive diet, but someone can eat them. They were $2.68. I had $1 off printable. There's $1 Ibotta, and there's $1 checkout 51. So it makes these a little bit of a money maker. This one's embarrassing for me. I mean, I don't know. I've gotten to the point I don't even care anymore. If they're a moneymaker, I'm getting the poise pads. They're $4.68. I had a $2 coupon. There's a $3 Ibotta, so it made it a freebie. And there's a new bonus that came out today for do 30 rebates, get $5 back. I don't know if I see it happening. It might. Alright, so I grabbed 3 of these Bic Simply Soleils. They are $3.27, and there's a $4 checkout 51 with a limit of 3, making this a total freebie and a little bit of a moneymaker. So that was fun. Grabbed 2 of the Johnson baby powders. These are $1.97. I had a $1 off coupon just on one of them because it says limit 1, so I just wanted to follow the rules. $1 off coupon, and you get $2 from Ibotta. It has a limit of 3, but the store only had 2. So it ended up being a $1 moneymaker for the 2 of them, which, hey, I'll take that. Money-making baby powder. And then I grabbed the Biotine. $3.47 had $2 coupon. Or no, I'm sorry, $1.25 coupon, a $2 Ibotta, and a 25-cent any item, so this was a freebie. So Walmart that was awesome rebate deals. Let's talk about Christmas shopping deals. Alright, so for Christmas shopping, I didn't do much, but I got to finish up for some people. So I got these crew socks for my one grandma. I looked at Target and I was like, their prices on this kind of stuff? Nope. So I went to Walmart and these were $10. I'll take that. Might have been cheaper somewhere else, but I don't know. And they're Hanes. Those are good socks. So I got those for her. I need to still get a few more things for her. Alright, so I finished up for my mom's uncle. He likes word searches, so I got him 2 word searches. These were pricey. I thought they were only $2, and they rang up for like $5. Oh, the price was right there. Wouldn't it have helped if I read the tag? But whatever. I don't even. He'll like those, and it's Christmas. He usually gets the little ones at the Dollar Tree, but I mean, these are like name brand or whatever. I don't know. Kappa puzzles. He'll probably really like those, and there's probably more in here anyways. I did it. Who cares? And then for my other grandma, let me try to get them. She really likes these hair things, so I got these for her. They're on clearance for $2. So Walmart was pretty successful, I thought. Not a horrible deal. I know all that stuff was under $20 with the rebates and everything and the moneymakers. I think I did really, really good at Walmart. I'm sorry. I've gotten out of the habit of really doing a lot of videos. Like, I didn't do a Walmart deals video because I just feel like everything's repetitive. Like, there's nothing new. So why would I keep making videos about the same deals? I didn't even talk about the Kroger 3-day sale because, I don't know. It's just like, I just didn't see that much. I mean, I promise I am going to get back into the habit of it, but I don't know. I just don't feel like very many people are couponing anymore in this month. I know they'll come back in January, but December's just a hard time, and I know I myself have had a hard time keeping up with couponing. Like, I haven't been to CVS once this week, even though I know there's great money makers over there. But I just haven't convinced myself to go, and same with Rite Aid. I know Actually, I don't know if there was much of a Rite Aid this week, but whatever. So, on the agenda tomorrow, Q&A video. Tomorrow or Sunday, but it will be done this weekend. That is important to preface, because I don't know what day I'll have least to talk about, whether it'll be tomorrow or Sunday. I don't know. We'll find out. Tomorrow or Sunday. And I gotta practice maneuverability tomorrow, for sure. That is a must, because I've got to go down there and get my license. I gotta shave. That's number 3. I cannot stand it when I wait this long. I don't know. I let it slip away, and I'm on Christmas break, and it's just, like, not that big of a deal right now. I will before church on Sunday, though. Yeah, 'cause I don't like my face with a bunch of hair. I think it looks bad on me. I know some people can pull it off, but I don't think I look good with a bunch of hair on my face. I will shave tomorrow because I can't stand the itchiness. Q&A will be this weekend for sure. So if you have any last minute questions, leave them, because it'll be tomorrow or Sunday. One of the two, whatever day has the least amount of vlogging stuff in it. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'm going to go Christmas shopping. I know we gotta, probably not. I don't know, though. I need to go to Dollar Tree, because I'm still making stockpile gift baskets. Can you believe that? On top of everything else, I'm still going to do that. But those things for free, so it's fine. I gotta go buy the gift baskets for that. I want to go to the Dollar Tree. I want to go to Hobby Lobby and pick up a gift. I want to go to Sam's Club and pick up a gift. I gotta get something for my cousin, but I'm still waiting on an answer. I asked my uncle what specific thing he'd like, and I gotta find that out. He must have forgot to tell us, so I'm waiting on him to do that so I can go to the store and buy my cousin that gift. And I wasn't planning on it, but I'm gonna order my dad a gift online, because the Walmart in my town and the Walmart up in Newark or Heath or wherever it was, they're right next to each other. If any of you are from around here, you know what I'm talking about. That Walmart didn't have it either, so I'm going to order that on Walmart.com. I'll have to throw something in to get free shipping, but that's not going to be a problem. I'll find a gift of some sorts. What else? So I want to just finish up Christmas shopping. I really want to get my grandma and grandpa a nice, a joint gift. I need to just write all this down, and then my mom's like, tell me what you want. So I started making my own grown-up Christmas list. No, it's really not that grown-up if you saw some stuff on there. But it's not like it's that much. I mean, I kind of want some, I don't know. No, it's pretty grown up, though. We went to Target tonight, and I saw the Mead paper that I used for my specific notebook for school, and I was like, oh, you want to get that for me? It was $3, and they're like, yeah. Because I'll definitely use that over time for school for next semester, because it'll be here before I know it, and it's going to be a rough semester, so I gotta stay on top of stuff. But, yeah, besides that, finish up Christmas shopping, binge watch some more Full House, meal plan. I want a meal plan tomorrow, and you know what I want to do? I want to meal prep. If any of you have done that, let me know. I really want to start meal prepping. Like lunches and stuff, just have it done. Like, I'm so sick of having to worry about what am I going to have for lunch, rather just at the beginning of the week, sit down, meal prep, have it all set out, and then just when I feel like having lunch, just go get it, plain and simple. So I might look, I saw Walmart.com has some meal prep containers, and I think I might buy those, because I think that'll really make my life easier. So I'm going to have to research that some more, meal prepping. I could definitely meal prep pasta, meal prep, like that chicken olive oil pasta thing, just keep it in the fridge and then whip it out in the skillet, and it'd be pretty simple to make, because the pasta would already be done, already be boiled, and then just do a batch of it at a time. So yeah, that's on the agenda. I got a meal plan. I'm going to look through some cookbooks that the nutritionist recommended and try to come up with some meal ideas. That's what is going to happen tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow might not be the Q&A either. It'll either be tomorrow or it'll either be Sunday, because I want to make sure I do it on a day where I don't really have that much else. So, yeah. Oh, let me know your thoughts on Fuller House. I like it, but there are some of them on there, I don't want to give any spoilers, some of them are just plain, stupid, in all honesty. There's a couple of them I was like, are you serious? I don't know. I like it, and I'm going to finish it. But some of them were just I don't know. I didn't remember them all being like that. There was one, they were dancing out in the street. And I was like, this would never happen. And the original Full House wasn't like that either. It wasn't I don't know. But I guess they're just making believe. They're dancing out in the street. And they're I don't know. It's just kind of crazy. But I don't know. But if any of you are Full House or Fuller House fans, let me know what you thought of it so far. I'm on episode 6. I'm trying to binge watch it. It'll be done by the weekend. I'm that way every time it comes out. I just binge watch it because it's just like, I don't know. I love it when Netflix can be an addiction. It's not a good thing. But yeah, so I'll binge watch Fuller House some more, and that's it for tonight. So yeah, I will vlog again tomorrow. I am gonna try to do some other next week. I swear, I gotta get back on my couponing videos game. Because I'm not doing as many videos right now, besides Vlogmas, which I'll be honest, there's only a very, very few of you who even enjoy Vlogmas. But I enjoy Vlogmas, so that's why I've kept doing it. But I love doing Vlogmas, so I'm going to do it. But I need to also find other ways to do some other couponing videos. But the deals just aren't there. That's the problem. There's just not that many deals. But hopefully next week I go to CVS and Rite Aid. There will be 2 hauls. Walmart deals video next week. That'll be good. Vlogmas every day. Kroger. And I don't think there's that much else. I mean, there's no inserts, so we can't do an insert preview. So yeah, December I think is just hard on couponing YouTubers all around. If any of you else are couponing YouTubers, I don't even know if any official couponing YouTubers watch these videos or not. I don't think so, but if you do, let me know. It's just like a hard time for you too. But yeah, and I want to give you all deals, but it's hard to come up with deals when there's really not that many sales and stuff going on. So that's an important thing to keep in mind. Oh, I got to clean my room tomorrow because some of you said it looks like Santa's workshop, and it looks like Santa's workshop exploded. Like there's wrapping paper and bags and just stuff all over the place. So I got to clean this room in the morning. That's what I'm planning on doing tomorrow. So, yeah, that's all I have that's all I have for now for this Vlogmas. I'm going to just chill the rest of the night, and thank you so much for watching.